Okay, so what up guys, and today I'll be reading this. So, birds generally migrate from one place to another. From reproduction and feeding purposes. Birds from cold and snowy regions migrate to warm places in the winter and return back in the spring when the weather warms up. Birds from dry regions migrate to moist areas in the dry season, and birds which prefer dry areas migrate to drier seasons and avoid the rainy season. Birds communicate in various ways. They make vocal calls and sounds to communicate with each other. They make a series of signal sounds known as squawks, which to signal other birds. Some birds, like woodpeckers, use other sounds to communicate, such as turning their beaks to tree trunks. Bird species: 3,200 South America, 2,900 Asia, 2,300 Africa, 2,000 North America, including the Caribbean, 1,700 Australia and surrounding islands, 1,000 Europe, 65 Antarctica. Life cycle. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Females lay eggs in nests made by which they have made themselves. Chicks hatch out of the eggs. The parents provide food. The parents provide food and protection for the chicks until they can care for themselves. After a few months, the chicks learn how to fly and then they leave the nest. Duck. The duck belongs to swan, goose, and the swan and goose family. Ducks are the smallest birds in this family and have shorter necks and then their larger relatives. Many male ducks are brightly colored, but some are black and white. Female ducks are generally brown in color. Did you know ducks keep themselves clean by preening? Very often they put their heads in a funny position so that their beak is pointing into the body of peering. They pluck feathers from their chests and use these to line their nests. Ducks are known as water birds because they are generally live in or around water. Ducks are classified into 8 groups or tribes. These 8 tribes: dappling ducks, preaching ducks, sea ducks, freshwater diving ducks, shell ducks, streamer ducks, stiff-tailed ducks, and torden ducks. Physical features. Ducks have a stout body. Most ducks have flattened bills. Some have wide bills and others have long and narrow bills. Ducks have waterproof feathers which protect them from the cold water. They have a special gland near the tail that produces oil and makes the feathers waterproof. Their webbed feet help them when swimming and diving. Food habits. Ducks eat a wide variety of plants and animals. Oil. Ducks eat a wide variety of plants. Ducks eat a wide variety of plants and animals. They feed on seeds and water. Plants like weed, grasses, rushes, and sedges. They also eat insects, snails, clams, shrimp, bonneted mussels, and fish. The white bills of some ducks are going for starting seeds, insects, and snails from the water, while long bills are helpful in catching golden fish. Mallard duck. The mallard duck is a large dapping duck. It is the ancestor of all domestic ducks. Male mallard ducks have a gray body with a green head and rusty chests. Females a malted brown color all over their body. Marl ducks live in marshes, swamps, rivers, ponds, and streams. They are mainly found in North America and Eurasia. Mallard ducks mostly eat seeds, sedges, grasses, leaves, streams, and some insects and small animals. Habitat and range. Ducks live throughout the world. They prefer to live wet in locations like marshes, ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some ducks live in tropical temperature or Arctic regions throughout the year, while there are several other kinds of ducks migrate from the seasons to warmer areas in the breeding season. White Pekin duck. White Pekin duck. The Pekin duck is a domestic duck. It is the most common type of duck found in North America, and it is often seen in ponds and backyards. White Pekin ducks have white plumage and orange bills, legs, and feet. Some have yellow. Some have yellow bills. They eat plants, grasses, and insects. White Pekin ducks are fast-growing ducks. The Pekin ducks look much different from adults, as they have bright yellow plumage. Habitat and range. Eagles prefer to live in large open areas near lakes, rivers, shorelines, or other sources of open water, where they can easily find prey. They also live on mountain cliffs, and some even live on the little ground. Eagles mainly habitat Eurasia, Africa, Australia, North America, Central and South America. Physical features. Eagles are large birds with heavy bodies. Their large head is covered with feathers. They have strong, large beaks with their sharp hooks at the tip. Their muscular legs and feet are bright yellow in color. Eagles have broad, long wings and tails, and long, strong, stiff feathers. Food habitats. Eagles are carnivores. They hunt only during the day, and their diet often varies depending on the animals in the surrounding areas. Some eagles who live in jungles eat monkeys and sloths, while other dueling eagles feed on snakes and lizards. Eagles also sometimes eat young lambs and deer, fish, and dead animals. The eagle is a large bird of prey. It is among the largest, most powerful birds in the world. Eagles hunt their prey by using their strong beak and claws. They are the best for known their soaring flight. There are many species of eagles. Most eagles are dark brown or black, but some have white areas on their body. Eagles live in nests known as eyries. These are usually made of sticks. They decorate their nests with fresh green leaves. Baby eagles are known as eaglets. Golden eagle. The golden eagle is a dark brown bird. It is very powerful and it is the largest bird of prey in North America. Gold eagles get their name from the patch of golden brown feathers on the back of their neck. Young golden eagles have white patches on their wings and tail. Gold eagles eat mammals such as rodents, rabbits, hares, and young deer. They also feed on birds and reptiles. Golden eagles can be found across Europe, Asia, North Africa, and North America. Bald eagle. No, these are the eagles I like. The bald eagle is a large white-headed bird. It is known as bald because it is the white feathers on its head. Bald eagles have bodies covered with brown feathers and a large yellow hooked bill. They have long brown wings that remain flat while the eagle is soaring through the sky. Female bald eagles are larger than the males. Bald eagles mainly feed on fish. Bald eagles are only found in North America. Falcon. The falcon is a long-winged bird of prey. And it is strong and powerful. It is a strong and powerful flyer. Their powerful flying ability makes falcons excellent hunters. Falcons swoop down from the great heights and use their feet to capture prey. There are about 50 species of falcons. Most falcons are 20 to 60 centimeters in length. Wow. And weigh around 2 kilograms. Not more than a human, of course. Female falcons are but lots for a bird. Female falcons are larger than males. Different species of falcons differ in their color, but the male and female particular species are similar. Physical features. Falcons have a bullet-shaped body with a long tail. They have a short neck and a short hooked beak. They have sharp, strong claws located on long toes. Falcons have long pointed wings which curve back in the shape of a sickle. Food habits. Falcons are superior hunters. They catch their prey coming down from great heights at a speed of more than 150 miles per hour. They prey mostly on small mammals and other species of birds. Some falcons also eat insects, dead animals, and even other birds of prey.